The surge in cocoa prices is causing major challenges for chocolate makers, with implications for consumers' wallets, particularly as Valentine's Day approaches. Hershey Company recently announced plans to cut its workforce by 5% due to historic cocoa prices and consumer inflation, which have dampened fourth-quarter earnings. This trend is driven partly by climate issues in West Africa, where over 60% of global cocoa production originates. These issues have led to damaged crop yields, constraining cocoa supply and driving prices upward. Cocoa futures have doubled in the past year and surged by 40% since January. Additionally, factors such as increased sugar and labor costs contribute to higher prices for chocolate products. Hershey's CEO, Michelle Buck, stated that cocoa prices are expected to limit earnings growth this year, with product prices rising by 6.5% in the fourth quarter and 9% throughout 2023. Other chocolate companies are feeling the pinch as well. Lilac Chocolates in Manhattan reported a 13% increase in raw chocolate prices compared to last year. Despite these challenges, they have maintained the prices of Valentine's Day products since 2022. Billy Roberts, a senior food and beverage economist at CoBank, highlighted that retail chocolate prices have risen by about 17% over 2 years and are expected to continue increasing. This situation is particularly challenging for chocolate candy manufacturers, as cocoa prices show no signs of decreasing. Despite these challenges, consumer demand for chocolate remains high, especially during major holidays like Valentine's Day. Roughly 92% of Americans plan to share chocolate and candy for Valentine's Day this year, according to the National Confectioners Association, with chocolate and candy sales exceeding $4 billion in 2023. However, rising cocoa prices are not the only concern for chocolate makers and consumers. Marnie Ives, CEO of Krone Chocolatier in New York, emphasized that while cocoa prices affect bulk chocolate purchases, other factors such as sugar prices, cocoa butter, packaging, and labor costs also contribute to price increases. Similarly, Carl Schneider, general manager at Holson's Candy Store and Diner in New Jersey, noted that standard price increases have been implemented to manage costs, with chocolate prices rising no differently than other products. Roberts's CoBank report revealed that while dollar sales for chocolate confections grew by 6.4% by December 2023, volume sales fell by 5%. This indicates that there is limited room for further price increases for average consumers. The impact of rising cocoa prices is felt even at the grassroots level, as cocoa farmers struggle to benefit from the international market. Isifu Isaka, a cocoa farmer in Ghana, highlighted the challenges posed by climate change on cocoa production and emphasized the need for fair compensation for farmers. Joke Aerts, director of credible scaling for Tony's Open Chain, stressed the importance of paying cocoa farmers a living income. Tony's Chocolonely advocates for the Living Income Reference Price, which aims to calculate the real cost of living for farmers and ensure fair compensation. Despite these challenges, chocolate companies are optimistic about continued consumer demand for chocolate, especially during holidays like Valentine's Day. The demand for chocolate remains strong, reflecting its enduring popularity among consumers.